Recently, Zero Zero Robotics came out with a promotional video for their new bi-coptor called the V-Coptr Falcon. And the question on everyone's mind is, will it work? Going to take a look at that coming up next. Hi everyone, Bill from BillTheTechnologyReviewer, where I make tech and tech-related videos. If you're new here, welcome, and consider hitting the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. As I said, Zero Zero Robotics recently put out a promotional video for their new bi-coptor called the V-Coptr Falcon. Let's go ahead and take a look at that clip. Now, I also found a couple of clips regarding two of the modes on the V-Coptr Falcon. The first that we'll look at is the Follow Me mode. And the second that we'll look at is the Cinematic mode. Now, I believe that review videos will be a key to the long-term success of the V-Coptr Falcon, and I expect to see some out there shortly. Now, an item of note, I was expecting to see Zero Zero Robotics at CES 2020, but unfortunately, they weren't listed on the exhibitors list. Question of the day, do you think the V-Coptr Falcon will work? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day for technology.